Кыргызстан эл аралык университетинин ректору Асылбек Айдаралиев 1200 студент мекенине кайтканын билдирди. Анын айтымында университетте жалпы 3000ге чукул чет өлкөлүк студент окуйт. Алардын 90% Пакистандын жарандары экени айтылды. Ал эми 20-майда президент Садыр Жапаров 18-майга караган түнү болгон окуя боюнча элге кайрылуу жасады. Жапаров 18-майдагы окуяга ыкчам чара көрбөгөн күч органдарынын шалаакылыгы дагы себеп болгонун айтты. Анткени менен президент адамдарды ошол күнү чагымчыл күчтөр да азгырган деп белгиледи. Интернет айдыңына Бишкекте активисттер чет өлкөлүк студенттерге жардам катары азык-түлүктөрдү жеткирип жаткан видео сүрөттөр тарады. Ал эми министрлер кабинети Бишкектеги тополоңдо жабыркаган чет өлкөлүк студенттерге кенемте төлөп берүүнү карап жатканын министрлер кабинетинин төрага орун басары Эдил Байсалов билдирди. Буга чейин Билим берүү министрлиги чет элдик студенттердин коопсуздугун камсыздоо үчүн бир жумага онлайн окууга которгонун кабарлаган болчу. Ал арада Бишкек милициясы дагы шаарда абал туруктуу экенин билдирип, чет элдик студенттерди коопсуздугу үчүн коркпоого чакырган. Саламатсызбы, МедиаХабтын көрүүчүсү, мен аты-жөнүм Масель Шамилова. Биз азыр Бишкектеги эл аралык университеттин алдында турабыз. Бул жерде окуган чет өлкөлүк студенттердин жапырт кетип жатканын көрүүгө болот. Биз азыр алардын өздөрүн кандай сезип жатканы тууралуу жана акыркы кырдаал боюнча өздөрүнөн сурайбыз.
As there is summer vacation after this semester and our studies are online for now, as we know, and after vacation maybe we will come back and continue our semester offline. Hope that till that time it will be okay, the situation will be okay, everything will be okay.
Will you come back again, yeah?
Yes.
How are you feeling now?
Students are very afraid and they just want to leave this country for now.
How many students are left in the dorm?
There was 1,000 students almost, and maybe 200 to 300 students are left here for now.
How many students live in dorm?
1,000 students, 900 or 1,000.
If everything is good, hopefully we'll come back and continue, but right now they're online, so exams are also online, everything is. Except 10th semester, everyone's going back. The last semester students are here, everyone else is going.
Good. How are you feeling now?
Right now I just want to go home because my friends also got beaten, I saw the videos, so very afraid right now, but hopefully it will be good when we come back.
How is the atmosphere around people, like around students, your friends maybe?
In Pakistan or here?
No, here.
Here, like, it's because we are safe now. Inside the hostel, we are safe, so it's better. But yesterday and the day before, it was very like chaos. Everyone was injured or very afraid. No one was leaving their rooms. There were 20 people in one room to stay safe, so it was very uncertain. Now, because students are going back, everything is like managed to go. Flights are managed. Everything is done. So now it's a little better.
Okay. And did you connect it with your parents?
Yes, I've been in contact with my parents.
Yes. And what is their reaction?
They want us to come back as well, but they are saying because bad people are everywhere. So they say hopefully it will resolve, so don't worry, just come back and we will go back again.
As you know, there are some people, I don't say that everyone here is bad, no. That's the majority problem, and our university also suppose that there is nothing happen. Everywhere they find the foreigners, they beat up. Local people, but there also I again appreciate that there are some local people, they are good, they are helping foreigners.
Where are you going? Pakistan. And your home, yeah?
Yes.
Can you tell me where are you going?
Pakistan.
Pakistan?
Yes.
Your home, yeah?
Some students are now going and some students tomorrow, after tomorrow, they all are going to Pakistan.
Because of the reason because of the reason what's happening here in this situation, we are going. Very bad situation. Very bad situation here for foreign students especially.
How are you feeling now?
Ma'am, I'm feeling very good now going in my country. I'm very happy because there are our own people. There is no fear for us. So thank you very much for sending us here. In Pakistan, we are good people. We respect them. Please, they should respect them. Please instruct them, your people, because maybe they are misunderstood that we are not good or we don't respect. But you should tell them. You should describe them that we are Pakistani. We are a Muslim. We have passion and love for every person in the world.